People them locked me up from last night at Norman Manley Airport. And I know them me not get bail or nothing. Them no want let me go. So me go America. Me for go America for do my business and them no want let me go. Me for go America for go do my business and okay, man.
Me hear people get up and them and say a cartel cause this and a cartel cause that. Seen?
Persons in my DM saying, oh, Angelo, you know, speak on the Lisa Hyper situation. Pretty much everything you come say about because
Lisa Hyper.
Because in the don't know the offer where she got through. And she actually strong. She's still there right now. I hold it and I fight with the music and I'm mad out and I eat out a rubbish pan. And that me tell her not that but she mad. A rubbish pan should I eat out if she mad. To all that way she be her encounter.
Mental instability can manifest in various ways depending on the person and the underlying issues. Here are some common signs. Emotional signs: extreme mood swings, frequent and intense change in emotions, excessive anxiety or fear, constant worrying or paranoia, depression, persistent sadness, hopelessness, or feeling empty, irritability or aggression, reacting strongly to minor frustrations, behavioral signs, withdrawing from loved ones, avoiding social interactions, sudden changes in daily habit, neglecting hygiene, eating too much or too little, or irregular sleep patterns, engaging in risky behavior, reckless driving, drug use or impulsive spending, speaking or acting in a disorganized manner, difficulty staying on topic, making irrational decisions. Cognitive signs: confusion or disorientation, trouble focusing or making decisions. Delusions or hallucinations, seeing, hearing, or believing things that aren't real. Paranoia, irrational suspicions or feelings of being watched or targeted. Physical signs: chronic fatigue or low energy, feeling exhausted despite rest, unexplained aches and pain, headaches, stomach problem, or muscle pain without clear cause. If someone is displaying multiple signs over an extended period, it might be a sign of an underlying mental health issue and professional help should be considered. Let's go. Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. So we're here to give some updates on Lisa Hype, because remember, over the past few days she was being arrested with all the mental illness and psychotic behavior that she was showcasing over the media. So we here have some people speaking on her name and people are give them best regards as it pertains to her. So I'm going to share some videos with you guys and I'm going to speak on some of the topic. And yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure y'all like and hit that subscribe button. You know, our Vibes and Insight with Nando with another one. So let's just get right to the chase and hear what some people have to say.
Lisa Hyper.
Because in the don't know the offer where she got through. And she actually strong. She's still there right now. I hold it and I fight with the music and I'm mad out and I eat out a rubbish pan. And that me tell her not that but she mad. A rubbish pan should I eat out if she mad. To all that way she be her encounter. You understand? So me and her interview can't be no normal thing. I have to go deep into my IQ and deep into the reasoning and sit down with her and you come like you don't even know. Right now you don't even know. You don't even know how much people career Lisa Hyper are saved right now by not saying certain things. You know what kind of pressure she pressure herself.
Over the years, we've heard a lot of news and a lot of rumors have been spreading about the Gaza camp and the affiliates of the Gaza camp being abused by cartels associates or people around him. And yeah, we've seen a lot of things over the media and whatever. But let me say this, bro. There's a lot of things that Lisa Hype has been saying as she's been going on with this psychiatric behavior. But some of the things that she's been saying are true. Some of the things she's been saying, there's some truth to it because she can't just get up and I say all of them things that will slightly make sense to a lot of us. Maybe it don't make sense to some people who don't want to believe it, but most of what she has say make a lot of sense. And as we hear Foota Hyper say, she has saved enough people by holding back insane certain stuff for not get out there because there are some damning stuff to the things that she's saying. And trust me, people, trust me, there are a lot of stuff there that has been saying, and we just have to keep her safe and protected because people out there want harm her because some of the things that she has say out her mouth, it can cost her life. So as a foot type, I say there are some things, there are some truth to what she has said, and it's just that she's trying to save some people, and she's at the same time maybe trying to protect herself to an extent, but for how far she try to protect herself, because she can even harm herself with all of this what she do.
Me hear be people get up and them and say a cartel cause this and a cartel cause that. See? You see when time somebody go through an episode like this, it's hard to control them. Them will fight you. Them will use any weapon where them have and stab you up. Them will do anything with you. So you have to be careful. It's not something that somebody can easily control. It's not something that you can just go to Bama and just say, yo, yeah man, make a whole her and make do this and that. No, and a psycho. Me can tell you from personal experience. Seeing somebody, one person can talk to her, one person. I don't know who is that person, but somebody, like she will listen to one person. Because if you notice, she could have every friend what she have.
So we have Richie Feelings here saying some stuff, but as I've stated, people, there are certain things that are in the dark that hasn't been come to life, and Lisa Hype is spreading some light to it. But you know what the funny thing is, because everybody is seeing that she's losing or she's having an episode, nobody is believing some of the things that she's been saying. But if it were to be someone else like a Sean Storm or a Gaza Slim or whoever it may be, come forth and say some stuff that is being going on behind closed door. But again, you know, a lot of people now go come out and talk certain things because certain stuff are left untold. Certain people now go say certain things, but we get that. But if there were someone to come out and say some of the things, because over the years as me are growing a whole heap of things me hear about what go on in the Gaza camp, and as we've seen with Black Rhino also him come out and say, yo, them for go lick them picnic, cause remember Black Rhino did have him song and say, yo, them beat them, and Gaza Kim come out as well as say she get beaten from the Gaza camp. So there are a lot of things that's been happening in the Gaza camp, and this too is playing on Lisa Hype because she's going through trauma from past life, from the past. So remember I said Vibes Cartel a groom her from she young enough and she they run him from she a 5-year-old. So growing up in that childhood, she never get to really experience much of her childhood, but she grew up too fast. So she had experienced all of them things and it plays a toll upon her life currently. So that's why she go through that. There are a lot of things can make people mad, you know, and there are a lot of things that can make people go through, but some of the things that plays on a person's mind will make them mad are the things them when them go through in them past, and some of them things that return back in them present time and affect them. So we have some other people like I say some things like Negos I speak some things also. So let's hear what him have to say.
Me hear Lisa Hype say she will send man go run a Christian pen for go burn down Shorty house. As a Portmore youth, me know that that's something she wouldn't even want to try. Christian Pen and a somewhere you want to ramp with mama. Everybody will come from the Christian Pen, Watson Grove, Hamilton Garden, Gregory Park area know these things. Mrs. She walk up to man and tell him say how she will burn him in his face with her cigarette. Mrs. She a bad up taxi man in him own car, but how she will lick him in his face with all her phone and them something there. Boy, I'm kind of glad she get arrested because maybe one day soon she would have approached somebody who will actually do something to her. Everybody now got tolerate them level of disrespect, no matter who you are or what you're going through. Thank God for the people them who never turn her over on her head and step in her face, because some of the same people them who did up on her life a laugh, them would have end up turn around and cry. Maybe now that she's arrested, she will get the necessary help needed, because God know, as bad as she go on the internet, me no want nothing to reach her or severe. At this point, all we can do is just hope for the best, because she was going down a path of self-destruction. Boy, may God bless Lisa Hype.
Yeah, I for one do agree with the stuff that this guy has been saying, niggas. Because Lisa Hype going through this right now, it can be detrimental for her. And people take certain things serious. Enough people not take medical, enough people not take health, mental health serious in a Jamaica, right? So, if she go through this, people might feel as if, she's a sane person and they might want to do some things, or want to harm her, or want to kill her, knowing that she attack all of them things there in the media, it can cost her life, as I say. So, me agree with what I say, but at the same time, bro, it's a good thing that she's being locked up. She can get all the help she needs currently while she's being locked up. I think she's still being locked up, but I don't say, yeah, it's a good thing she's being locked up and I go get the treatment. I hope they don't abuse her or whatever, but yeah, she just need the help, because as I've read before earlier in the video, that mental health is a dangerous thing. It has so many signs and it can show so many things where people might not think it is mental health, but armor. But yeah, good thing she get locked up, she can get the help. So we have this guy here. I don't know his name, but he's saying some stuff also. There's a lot of people come out. I'll give them 2 cents as it pertains to Lisa Hype. So let's hear what this guy have to say about Lisa Hype and everything.
Social media, make we get one thing clear. IJ Progress is happy that them lock up Lisa Hype. Them lock her up and arrest her at the Norman Manley International Airport. Why? It was the only way that Lisa Hype was going to get the help that she needed. A lot of people on the internet is celebrating that she's arrested, but people are taking it wrong. Why people are celebrating that Lisa Hype has been arrested? People are happy that Lisa Hype has been arrested because she's doing too much on the internet and she needed help. But it come like the people that move care for Lisa Hype can't talk to her, can't approach her, can't get her to go help her. So she get the help involuntarily, forcefully. Hence why people are so happy that she has been arrested, just like myself here. Lisa Hype need her joke. Lisa Hype need her joke. And of course, everybody know that there won't be much from this matter, the way how Lisa Hype behave. Because we see even video of her behaving a certain type of way in the police station with her phone at the time. You understand? And we hear the disrespect being hurled at the police officers and stuff like that when they were making the arrests. And she a fuss up herself. You understand? But I think even these very police officers are aware that something is not 100% right with Lisa Hype, but nevertheless, they cannot diagnose Lisa Hype a madwoman because they are not in any way, any shape or form of that professional ability to say, okay, you're a madwoman. So they can just treat Lisa Hype as another disgruntled person who turn up at the airport without no flight book or nothing and decide she want to go on a JetBlue flight and go to America. So people don't get it twisted. A lot of people want Lisa Hype to get the help, and they know that nobody who even have the best interest at heart for Lisa Hype cannot approach her and help her. Look at Nuffy. Anybody approach Lisa Hype, diss them, as long as you not say what she has said. You understand? So the way how this happened, that she has been arrested, and she can now get the help that she needed. Because I say it over and over, Lisa Hype has been on a down roll, and it could have turned out tragic where she hurt herself. Because she could have put herself in her arm's way, or she self-harm, and that's how I was seeing things. You know, so if you can't get to help the person voluntarily, you have to do it involuntarily, forcefully, which is why she being arrested, me feel better, me glad. Like a lot of people on the internet, nobody no really hate Lisa Hype on the internet. Me not think I hate Lisa Hype. Because before now, Lisa Hype and nobody on the internet now have nothing or nothing. So from them see how Lisa Hype go on, people start put one and one together and I say, no man, something not right with Lisa Hype, you know. But at the end of the day, we are no medical professional to diagnose this woman a mad woman. You get what me I say? But now, everything will come out. She gone to the right place. She got a court. Then we order a psychiatric evaluation. And then them do them assessment and see if whatever. And if, based on rumors that she has been in a mental institution before, and I think she even said that, that means she would have a history of mental illness, which would have make things just blow over like a so. So listen, people and the media, they are happy because Lisa Hype will get the help that she need. So people don't get it twisted when you hear people are celebrate on the internet say Lisa Hype get arrested. They are celebrating because they know that she needed help. And she was about to either self-harm or put herself in harm's way with some.
As I've stated in my first video that I spoke on about Lisa Hype, that Lisa Hype is struggling from past trauma, things that she's been going through way a longer time when she was younger, as I would say maybe around Vibes Cartel, maybe around whoever, family member, whatever. So as I've stated that many a times with people when they are young, you see, if children not get to experience childhood in a different way, like real children and not just children under age acting as if they are grown folks or adult, they struggle from stuff like this, and it helps to build it up as time goes by, and you reflect on your past, and it helps to develop a lot of trauma and mental illness, and that is what Lisa Hype is going through. And help help is just an understatement. She needs more than help. She needs like a lifelong help, like like a unit she go there for a long period of time, stay for like a years, like drug addict go to like rehab for a long time. That is what she needs, and she needs to go through that. So we have Triple X here attack about the whole thing again. As me say, a lot of people came out attack and they must share them 2 cents about Lisa Hype, because for one, bro, we are all adult. Lisa Hype could be any one of us, sister, aunt, either mother, whatever. So we don't want to see a woman, fall by the wayside, and because she's on the media erupting and being in our whole sense, she's just being eroded, and she just a psychiatric evaluation she need, bro. So a lot of people are going to talk. So make we hear what Triple X of you say.
On the entire Gaza to even money. Everybody out there, me I go put it on right now. Yard boss, big up yourself. Me I put it on, me I beg you, me I implore you. Please do not use this that happened with Lisa Hype as a reason to ostracize her after she get better. If you really true and truly love and respect Lisa Hype, me I beg you a chance. Me I beg a chance. Me I beg a chance for her.
It's a few days ago, like maybe a week or so, a lot of people are laugh, a lot of people say she's not sick, she's not mentally ill or whatever. So to see people coming to her rescue, it's a good thing. We just need more of that, more awareness of mental illness, because it's a big thing in this world that we live in, bro. Technology, a lot of us suffer from trauma and mental illness, depression, anxiety, all of the stuff them. So it's a good look. So we have Shakin Moria share his 2 cents also on the Lisa Hype issue. You know, Shakin Moria already, man, on TikTok. Him always a speak some positive thing. Him always a give some insight on a lot of stuff where him see a go on, because he's a Rasta man. So, you know, Rasta man, most of them deal with positivity and, you know, righteousness. So let's see what Shakin Moria have to say about this whole thing going on with Lisa Hype and his 2 cents and as it pertains to her.
You see that sister there when they lock up at the airport the other day? Me I observe a thing in the internet the last days where happened to the sister there. And it seems as if this sister is struggling with some mental issue. I don't know what I go on, but the sister here no seems to be right. And all me say somehow I do is take it and turn it into entertainment and turn her into a big mockery. What is wrong with you now? How can you do something like that? How can you see somebody struggling like that and you're gonna take it, turn into entertainment, laugh and giggle, and turn the person into mockery, as if you don't have yourself, you don't have relatives and friends, children and others, that if you would see any one of them into that very situation that that sister in or worse, your heart wouldn't cry out. Eh? When me a little youth, when these things happen to people, the whole community come together and play a part to get this person back on his or her feet. But today, when you make internet and social media, I get the best out of you because of what? Likes and views. So we hold on them out. Let me ask you something. I saw when moral standard drop, that when I go watch a sister struggle and a suffer, and all you can do is laugh and giggle. Somehow no dare I come, and somehow no I go face worse than that. Remember me telling you that. You see, sickness and illness, whether mentally or physically, or any one of the all of them, is not something to laugh about and to giggle about and to mock anyone about. As I look up, the universe, nah sleep.
As I've said, you know, mental illness is
God,
a
nah
dangerous thing,
sleep.
bro. It's a big thing in our world.
Remember me telling you that.
We just need to take it serious, because trust me, people, growing up in Jamaica, you know, we never get much teaching on that aspect of life, or as it pertains to mental illness. So when we grow up, people don't really tell about mental illness. We just see people walk up on the road mad, and we just say, yo, a madman that is mad. But the clear sign of the mental illness, the key thing about someone being mad or being mentally ill, we never really get much teaching of it. And as Caribbean people, bro, it's a mental illness, bro. It has become rampant over the years, and we've seen it a lot. A lot of us suffer from a lot of things, are issues, as me say, depression and anxiety and all of them things, and we develop it overnight. Some of the time you wonder where you get them things. And even here in America, as me live, bro, a lot of people me see I go through it, bro, and it's just happened to them overnight. So as me say, the mental illness, we just need to take it serious. Though Lisa Hype is a musician and she's an artist, some of the time artists put out themselves out there in the media, and you know, we as bloggers or people as viewers run with it and watch it and laugh and giggy giggy giggy, but still there's the other side to it where we really need to take it serious. And this day and age, mental illness become bigger and bigger as time goes by, and with the technology and with all these things happening over the media, some of the time we see people that live some life and want to live it too, and we get depressed saying we not live it, or we not get the experience what others are experiencing. So there's a lot of aspect as it pertains to the illness and mentality. So it needs to be taken serious, and some of the time we need to give people the help or the support when we see them go through this. So we have a musician we do a song with Vibes Cartel already. I don't remember what her name is. We need to do a research on her. But there's this lady from St. Lucia. I don't remember her name. So she's sharing her 2 cents also. And as I say, I love to see it. A lot of people coming out, giving their 2 cents, showing their support towards Lisa Hype. And I love it. And it's a good look. No, it's good to see that we're going into an era where people really are take stuff like mental illness serious. So let's hear what the lady have to say, and when you tell me what you think in a comment about all of this will take place with Lisa Hype and with the support we shall receive right now. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and remember, like and hit that subscribe button. I'm sharing the thoughts.
Big up, Lisa. I know you're going through it right now. I feel you because it's not that easy dealing with somebody like Cartel.
Fresh
It's not.
drop.
Especially when you're dealing with him for a long time and a young
Bro,
age.
me I wonder,
And to them,
is
don't
it
worry,
that
my
a
girl,
lot
your
of
turn
people
coming
are
too.
naive or
Trust
not
me.
believable
Good
of
luck.
knowing that there was a lot of things that went on around Vibes Cartel when he was behind bars, or when he was not behind bars, when he was freed before he got locked up, where there are a lot of things that went on around him in him camp, and we know enough people hear it and see it over the media and see in proteges them come out and talk about it, and people seem so naive to not understand that what Lisa Hyper go through now are because of what she go through then back in her past when she was around them. I remember as me telling the people, and as she stated, she was around him from she was 5 year old. She grew up around them. Usually run up and down and go buy, go get thief out cigarette for Vibes Cartel and them friend them and Ray. So people are act surprised like them no know say yo, Lisa have developed all of the mental illness yeah from the past. They are thinking like it's happened overnight. No, all of them things happen from way back when she was young. So she grew up in the environment around all these grown folks and experienced some stuff they were child our children shouldn't be able to experience. So she's going through this now. And as I said, bro, if you have a child, bro, teach them how to grow as a child. Never let a child grow and thinking they're adult from a tender age. Let children be children. Teach them how to be children. Make children enjoy them childhood. So when them grow up, then they become traumatized by some things where them experience because them rush them to experience life as an adult because they're not adults. So that's all I have to say, bro. And as I say, people, it's crazy the world we live in, bro. People, most of us as Caribbean people, we want to grow pitting them too fast. And some of the time the pitting them get to experience some things way before time. And even us as parents, some of the time we know that they have to help grow them as children too. So some of the time, as we say, it takes a village to grow a child. So some of the time the children them grow too fast in our village, and we need to care for them and look out for them because trust me, people, it's what Lisa Hyper go through right now. When she younger, she experienced the stuff that when she experienced when she younger, make sure I go through them things right now. So be careful of the things that we are exposed kids to. So that's all I have to say, people. So here we have a TikToker who goes by the name of One Kevin. He's the only person who doesn't seem to feel sorry for Lisa Hype, who's being arrested or whatever. He has a lot to say, saying that him wish the police them did beat her up, or him wish the girl them did beat her up in the airport. And people want to listen this and tell me one thing, because this a brother here, bro. We know say my Gaza fan, right? We know say him support Vibes Cartel all the way, but to see him go and say, bro, over a man, bro, and Lisa Hype is a woman, bro, it is crazy. This, I guess, this is some of the true sentiment that some of the Gaza fans them show, and people listen it and tell me one thing about him, because he might rub me wrong, not wipe on him might rub me wrong, but as I say, bro, the man him just hurt my spirit, brethren. So listen and tell me one thing.
Me not have one sorry bone in me for Lisa Hype. When me hear Lisa Hype say, me will say some things for send back Addy a jail. Me not have one piece of drop a like in a me for Lisa Hype. I don't care what she go through. I don't care. Let me tell you something. You see, because she was coached by somebody and the person who she was coached by want the man dead and got jail back. And I see she carry out the act. Me not have a drop a like for your girl. Them lucky a lot, them lock you up. Them lucky a lot, them lock you up. You're lucky they never beat you in the goddamn airport. The girl in the airport now no sense. They say what they beat the shit out of you. Yeah, them should have beat you. On a bad
Brother,
man,
the
so.
way you talk right now, it
You know
like
what?
you have cartel.
I think she thinks say.
Come down now,
When
brother.
time
Come off of
Addy
your knees.
come out of jail. Because
bro,
I could have seen go to
John,
Addy and tell Addy to
someone just naive to everything.
I could have seen tell Addy.
When you just
Say Shorty
disbelieve
that cheat on
everything
him.
because
I could have seen do it.
cartel
Because she want Addy done with Shorty long time. So she can
some
get
things
Addy.
say, bro,
But Addy don't want
some
that.
of things Lisa
No, you call the man
true,
pedophile.
a lie.
And all these
And
things
uno
like,
fail
excuse
to
me?
believe it.
What
I
no?
believe some of the stuff.
Are you
don't go wait,
and a brother there? We go sit down.
come to light,
And that's
just
why.
because Lisa,
And that's why you're so fuck up right now.
As I say, people,
Go seek help. Go get the injection where you forget. Yeah, man, go get the injection where you forget. Because you see bad mind. You see bad mind. Lord Jesus Christ. When the bad mind spin back pan uno, it was an over. You know,
support a man. I where the money feel like. Where the money feel like. But as I'm saying, people, you know, vibes and insight with another one. Tell me what you think in the comment section. But all of this one going. You know already, man. Make sure so you stay tuned for all the other updates. I'm out.